Hey, Trey Veston here, and today instead of guns, we're going to talk a little bit about my KLR 650, it's a 2022 model, and specifically, I'm trying to make it more comfortable. Now, I'm pretty sure probably the average KLR rider is a guy like me, 40s, early 50s, out of shape. Used to ride dirt bikes as a kid, so they transitioned. They got some, Harleys or street bikes, and thought that was fun. Didn't ride a whole lot, and then got bit by the adventure biking bug. Wanted to go explore the outdoors and some logging trails, and so they get the KLR. Well, coming from a road king, the KLR is not comfortable, especially if you're a big guy. I'm 6'2" and 300 pounds. I am sorely out of shape. I have added a padded seat to aid in comfort, some different pegs, and I've also added the 3D cycle windscreen risers. Now at 6'2", this helped a little bit, but not quite enough. It's still buzzy on the highway. I can tuck down behind it, but that's not real comfortable. So what I did is I ordered the new V-Stream right here. Look at that. I think it was $159. It's going to go there. It looks like it's going to raise it about another 5-6 inches, which should be perfect. So, but in evaluating that, today's a blustery, rainy, wet day, so it might actually be perfect conditions. We'll ride it with the stock windscreen with the 3D cycle risers. We'll have a camera, not a remote microphone. We'll just use the built-in microphone and kind of give you an idea of how much wind noise there is going down the highway. And hopefully it'll rain. You never hope for rain usually on a bike, but we want to see how much the new windscreen will protect us from that rain. So first of all, let's go for a spin with the stock windshield on and kind of get an idea of the noise level. Okay, here we are. Let's start some official videoing. Let's see, yeah, the GoPro mic suddenly stopped working. I did a beautiful video with sound testing and everything, and couldn't hear anything. Couldn't get it fixed, so now I'm using my Samsung Galaxy phone, and it's strapped haphazardly to a phone holder, and I'm very nervous about my phone falling out. So anyway, go on to the video. 30 miles an hour, and wind is not too bad. I'm purposely wearing my motocross helmet just so I can get more of a real feel for the wind noise. Okay, let's bump it on up. And wind noise is starting to increase. And I believe that is 5th gear. And yeah, with this factory windshield, even at the risers, I'm 6'2", wind is hitting me square in the eyeballs. If I look straight up, looking down, not too bad, but up, it's definitely hitting me. I'm going to pull over up here, let this Jeep Cherokee pass. A little bit of traffic here. Another car coming. Phone mount's working so far, but I'm still super nervous. Okay, we'll go up here just a little bit. plane. That's why we went with the V-Stream. So let's pull over here at the Idaho-Washington border. And we'll turn around, head back to town. And we'll get the new screen on. So close to freedom. Alrighty, let's get the factory windscreen off. And this little Allen head, super easy. I will say this about the 3D cycle riser kit. It worked great. It was good quality, easy to install. I haven't had any issues with it. I've had it on there for about 2 years, but like I said, I've only got 2,000 miles on this, so. Okay, and I will say that this is the mid-height V-Stream. I don't recall the exact part number. I'll put that down in the links and description so you know exactly which one I ordered. I got this from Revzilla, and I got a little military discount being a veteran, so that was nice. And I got the mid-size, even though I'm 6'2", and I should have got, you know, technically the tall. I already had the 3D windscreen risers, so I didn't want to, I don't want to take those off or end up with something ginormously tall. So I'll stop talking so we can fast forward to it actually on. It is on. Looks good. Do a little comparison. The factory bolts we have added. I'm going to trust the old tape measure. We've added another 4.5 inches of height. Width, well, that really deflects it. It's an extra 2 inches on either side. So yeah, looks like a cool design. Let's go try it. Okay, can already see it's over my head. Liking that. One of the reasons I was kind of hesitant to go to a taller windscreen is because, you know, I didn't want to lose any maneuverability in the woods because I stand up, you know, you stand up a lot. And I was worried that the screen would impede standing up and negotiating slower stuff. But it actually, I think it's fine. It's just fine. Okay, going through town, 25 miles per hour. Yeah, I can already tell a difference. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I can barely feel any wind. And this is a blustery day, so some wind turbulence is expected no matter what. Alrighty, let's increase speed. much better. We're cruising now, and just the buffeting isn't there. I mean, it gets a little bit, but it just seems a lot quieter. Yeah, you don't have to tuck. I can sit upright, and everything is, you know, it's not hinging. Yeah, I think with my Scorpio helmet on, quieter one, riding will just be a lot more comfortable. And the wind, you know, before I said my shoulders got instantly cold, and the wind it's hitting lower on my arm. It's more of my bicep area instead of shoulder area. But I've got a huge upper chest. I have 54-inch chest. So, but still, yeah, this is way more pleasant. I don't feel like I have to yell to be heard over the wind noise. The wind noise is definitely improved. Alrighty, let's do our turnaround spot. And then we might put the camera back down in the mounts. I don't know. Freedom! Oppression! I can't wait to move to Idaho. Okay, let's see. Vibration's good. It did arrive with a little tiny imperfection scratch there, but yeah, it's okay. It's, you know, as soon as it gets another 10 degrees out, bugs are going to destroy most of it anyway. And I can still see over it, because that is an issue out here. A lot of bugs, and so the windscreen will get, you know, pretty gunked up, but I can still, it's tall enough that my eyesight, I can see just, my line of sight goes right here if I'm really looking up. So that's with this motocross helmet on. So I think with the Scorpio it'll really be great. All right. Alrighty, I think we've properly tested the windscreen on a short little ride. I got some blustery weather out there. No rain, unfortunately. I really wanted to see how the rain protection was between the stock windscreen and the new V-Stream windscreen, mid-size. But yeah, overall I'm very happy with it. It made a ton of difference on the highway, and doing some slow standing up maneuvering didn't seem to make a difference at all or impede that. So yeah, I'm very happy with it. And if you're looking for a windscreen for the KLR, I think it's, you know, KLRs are cheaper bikes. I bought it because I'm not rich. So, you know, I paid $7 grand for it during COVID, which was a little high. And I probably got about $9 grand into it now. And that's why I won't sell it. I would never get my money out of it. But so we tend to be cheaper. Tend to do cheaper stuff, you know, the $20 Amazon phone mount, but it works great. V-Screen's $160. I guess a little spendier. I've seen guys put extensions on the factory windscreen, but this, with the extra width, I think it's worth the investment, especially if you're ex-military and you can get that discount from Revzilla. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you found it useful. Yeah, I was looking at videos on these and I found a couple of really good ones, but I thought, yeah, I'll just add my own just to cover anything that, you know, people like me want to know. So, alrighty, there you go. Happy riding and be safe out there.